So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White URG250T6X. So this is the propane. Start at the top. This is your existing vent, dual wall. Looks like a 4x3 reducer, and then a 3-inch B vent. That's the dual wall as well. That's your pipe. This is ours. So single wall adjustable in any single wall pipe down to a new draft diverter. Piping over here, we cut everything out, took the old valve out, soldered an adapter on, and then got you a Watts 3/4 turn or quarter turn ball valve, a full inside port, and then on this side just soldered an adapter on. Falcon stainless steel connectors over to some brass fittings. The water heater was over here, and this platform is collapsed right here, so we pushed it in the corner and put some supports underneath it. So anyways, so brass nipple Falcon stainless steel connectors, and then you've got just brass, pure brass. So brass and stainless steel, they both flow very well. Really pressure and temperature and pressure relief valve comes with the unit. It's tied into a galvanized pipe. This is drain line, so it's not a water line. There's never any water in this unless you open this valve right here, or if something happens with the tank, too much pressure or temperature, this spring will pop open and it will drain out. And you can see that's your piping that was existing. It goes out there, drains below the deck, and we just put an adapter on, Falcon stainless steel connector. Upper third, adjustable strap. Lower third, adjustable strap. Your model number and serial number. If you go to bradfordwhite.com, hit register, and give them the serial number and your contact information. They'll get your warranty going on this. We did shut down the propane and give you a new gas valve, new gas connector, so that's good. There was a pump in here, it was old. We told them we didn't have anything to tie it back in with. We wanted to get the water heater set so we get hot water tonight. And so you can still use that if you want. That pump installation is going to run about $1,000. Pump itself is about $500, plus all the fittings to get it tied back in here. We drain the water heater down, put a valve on, all that. Or get the Grumpo's comfort pump or the Watts comfort pump that goes up on top on the hot side, and put the crossover valve in the master bathroom upstairs. Totally up to you. I did leave your pump on the workbench over there because I didn't want to throw it away and then you want to reuse it, so it's over there. Temperature set to hot, which is approximately 120 degrees. A130, B140, C150 very hot 160, B140 third degree burns 3 seconds. So infants and elderly, or if you have family that has Alzheimer's, dementia, they forget that hot water is hot. So if you have it up hot, they're going to get burned. So just be mindful of that. It's your home, but you can see right here scalding risk increases with hotter water. It's at 120. You can, EPA recommends 120, so Environmental Protection Agency recommends 120, that's for scalding purposes. CDC recommends B140, and that's so that you don't get any bacteria growth in the tank. I've never seen that happen. If you're constantly using the water heater, then nothing's going to grow, potentially. But if you were to go on vacation and just leave this tank full and no water's moving through it, you might have a problem. But anyway, CDC recommends 140. Plus, if you turn it up to 140, this water heater, instead of a 50, it's going to feel like a 65-gallon water heater. Reason being is you're going to send hotter water to the fixture. Example would be your shower. When the water gets there, it's going to be way too hot, so you're going to throttle it way down with cold water and mix it to get the temperature you need, which means you're going to be using less water, less hot water, and more cold water. So anyways, if that makes sense, you can do that, but we got to leave it there and for liability purposes. Anyways, everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.